How to wear the Hume Health Band correctly. Complete setup and usage guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to wear the Hume Health Band correctly, set it up for the first time, and use it properly to get the most accurate health and fitness data. If you've just received your Hume Band or want to make sure you're wearing it the right way, this complete beginner's guide is for you. Let's begin with the correct way to wear the band. The Hume Band is designed to fit snugly on your upper forearm, approximately 2 to 4 finger widths below your elbow, with the sensor positioned against the inside of your arm. The band should feel secure enough that it doesn't move during daily activities, but not so tight that it becomes uncomfortable. You should still be able to slide one finger underneath the band. Wearing it too loosely or in the wrong position can reduce the accuracy of heart rate, recovery, sleep, and other health measurements. Now let's set up the band. First, download the Hume Health app from your device's app store and sign in or create a new account. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone, press and hold the side button on the Hume Band to enter pairing mode, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device. Once paired, complete your personal profile by entering details such as your age, height, weight, and health goals. This information helps the app provide more personalized insights. After setup, wear the band consistently throughout the day and night. The Hume Band continuously tracks important metrics such as heart rate variability, sleep stages, stress, recovery, blood oxygen, skin temperature, movement, and activity. During your first several days of use, the band builds a personal baseline, so some health insights may become more accurate over time. To keep your data up to date, open the Hume Health app regularly so the band can sync with your phone. Hume recommends syncing at least once each day to ensure your health data is backed up and your personalized insights remain current. When it's time to charge the band, place it securely into the charging dock using the supplied charging cable. A full charge typically takes around 30 minutes, and the battery usually lasts several days depending on your usage. For the best battery life, charge the band before the battery becomes completely empty, and use the original charging accessories whenever possible. To keep the band performing at its best, clean both the sensor and the strap regularly with a soft, slightly damp cloth. Avoid letting dirt, sweat, or lotion build up on the sensor, as this may affect measurement accuracy. Also, avoid moving the band to different positions throughout the day unless necessary, since consistent placement helps improve tracking reliability. Here's a pro tip: wear your Hume Band every day and every night during the first week. The more consistent your wear time, the faster the device learns your body's normal patterns, and the more reliable your recovery, sleep, and health insights become. And that's how to wear and set up the Hume Health Band correctly. Following these simple steps will help you get the most accurate health data and the best overall experience from your device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Hume Health tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.